Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a really quick haul for you today. I just placed this, oh boy. I placed this order this morning on Amazon. I needed, not this morning, yesterday. I needed some findings, some jewelry findings. So yeah, so here is the first package. This is the 100 pieces metal book corner protectors. You get 100 pieces. I think there's like 5 colors or 4 colors, something like that. And oh, they taped it good. I like the container that it came in. I needed this for some of my projects, so hold on guys, because my stuff is falling over. Anyway, already off to a terrible start. All right, so the colors we have are like antique brass. We have gold and copper, and I think that's silver. Let me see. I could get my lighting a little better. I don't know. Anyway, so these are the book corners. They all have the same design, same size, and I think that's it for. So there's 4 colors. If there's 100 pieces, then you get 25 of each color, which is weird. But I needed the gold actually. The silver is fine. I have already a bunch of silver in my stash, but I actually wanted the gold, and they didn't have just gold by itself. And if they did, it was like not worth the price that they wanted, so I got that. As you know, we're doing the Sanrio, the Hello Kitty and Friends swap, and the requirements are to make a chunky dangle. Well, I don't have any bales, so I had to pick up some bales. This is 150 pieces for jewelry, bales for jewelry. I got the multi-pack color bales, and there's 3 colors. So we have gold. I like that. And these are just the round bales. I didn't get the fancy shape. This is like antique. And then there's silver. So happy with that. The other thing I picked up is the bead caps. Oh boy. I actually thought there would be more. This one. Taped it up really good. 120 count in this one. Stick it there. 120 count. And you get, let's see, oh, different sizes. Not very much in the large one, which is what I was wanting. Then you had these fancy flower shaped ones, but they're all gold. I needed gold bead caps. Oh, they made it seem like a lot, but this is a large variety, and I needed quantity rather than a variety. And these are really teeny tiny flowers. I'm not opening these up, guys, because they're super small. If I can find the link again, it's on Amazon. I'll share it with you. These 2 are the same style, but different size. This one is like a flower. These 2. Here's another size for this style, I think. So you get quite a bit of variety. Really tiny on this one. Yeah, I don't know. It was like $6, I think. You don't get very much, I guess, of each style. I'd rather have quantity rather than variety. I don't know. For $6, not bad. But I really did need the bigger bead caps, so whatever. And it came quick, so, you know, use it. The Chunky Dingle, I also needed some gold jump rings, and I was tired of buying it at Michael's and Hobby Lobby. So I saw this kit, and it also has the ring to help you open and close. And it also has this tool, which is pretty handy, a new tool for me. I like that. So there's this tool. And then, so not only do you get the ring, you get all these size jump rings. And it also has some lobster clasp. And I'm happy the way it came. It was not all in pieces. You also get tweezers. Gina just sent me some tweezers. So I am set with the tweezers. And then, yeah, there's like numbers on here. So 1 to 6 and 7, 8, 9 to 12. So you get 10 compartments of jump rings. And then you get 2 of the lobster clasps. And it's a pretty gold. I like that. That's pretty. And then these are like super tiny. And I have some of these this size from Hobby Lobby. Now I am set. I got a bunch of the big ones. I'm just hoping these are strong. They don't. So the ring here, you put it into one of the slots, the jump ring, and it helps you to open up your jump ring so you're not twisting it. I like that, and I know I don't have to fuss with 2 pliers in my hands. So very nice. And you get 2 compartments of each size. Very, very nice. I like that. I would use the largest in these a lot. Very nice. Okay, so that is cool. Not everything came in today, but what is here, I'm glad, because I really needed these to finish off my jump ring. My dangle. So these are a few of the things that I needed to add to my my chunky dangle. So, and I did order some clear bells, but they're not here yet. Where the ones that I picked up today are gold. So that's pretty. The next thing that was part of my order, which I'm so confused, it came just like this in the box, not wrapped, not packaged, and I believe this is double stick tape. So if you've been watching my videos, I mentioned Soleil and Crafts. She's in Australia, and she uses double-sided tape like this. I don't know if this is the same brand that she uses, but I'm so shocked that it came 5. I only got 5 sheets. It's really so weird. I thought I was getting a box, at least of 20. But yeah, they'll be getting a thumbs down from me because this is what I got. So weird. Well, anyway, this is what she uses. She'll take her tape and stick it to foam so that she could stick the decorative paper onto the foam, and then she runs it through her die cut machine. So now she doesn't have to use glue to attach her foam like she does like if she does like doing the shadow words, right? You get the word. If you put this here first, attach it to the paper, attach it to the foam, and then run it through, you don't have to worry about adding glue to the paper or to the foam, you know, too many steps. This eliminates that. So we'll see how strong or how well this holds up. I am really disappointed I got 5 sheets. The last thing I picked up because I was out of laminating sheets. This is Amazon Basics. This is their clear thermal laminating sheets. You get 200 in a pack. And I don't remember the price, but if you're interested, I could leave the link in the description box or message me, one or the other. So yeah, you get 200 sheets. I love it. I love it. And let me see. I don't know. Oh yeah, 3 mil. It's just 3 mil. I don't need anything heavier than that. It's no point for me as far as going heavier. But this was a good buy for me. Amazon Basics. All right, laminating sheets. Okay, guys, that's it for now. I guess I'll leave the links in the description box below. If you're interested, go check out the links, and I'll see you all on the next crafty video. Bye.